Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to have a look at the job offers that you have saved to your favorites section or the jobs you have applied for or rejected. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now click on My Jobs. Here, as you can see, the favorites section contains the jobs that you have added to your list by clicking on the like icon. The second section, called Applications, contain all the job offers that you have applied for. And the rejected section contains the job offers that you have rejected. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.